Happy Monday, everyone, and thanks for checking in. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. And as we take a look at temperatures here across much of the nation, we're off to a cooler start than what December ended with. Of course, December is very warm, and in fact, one of the warmest Decembers ever in recorded history for a number of locations in the eastern half of the country. Wet west coast, significant precipitation working in with several impulses of energy for the Pacific, and that may translate into some mid and late week snowfall potential across parts of the central U.S. So we have that trough of low pressure with some colder air in the Great Lakes, the Ohio Valley, Tennessee Valley, and into the Northeast. Significant snowfall is certainly not in the cards, but it is going to be drying out in the central and eastern U.S. as we take you through the next couple of days. But take a look at the wetter western coastline there, and some very active weather conditions, in fact, translating into some high elevation snow, not only for the Cascades, but for the Sierra Nevada range, and also in the central and the northern Rockies, even as far south as Arizona there, down near Flagstaff, and then eventually translating into some moisture in the central U.S., where, again, precipitation values looking a little bit heavier, maybe an inch plus down near the Gulf Coast states. Lighter amounts of precipitation in the eastern U.S., the heaviest, though, well to the west, talking near the Four Corners region. How about that? Maybe a 4-inch amount in the high elevations of central and northern Arizona, and then some pretty significant values through California. So good to see that, but that could lead to some flooding potentially, which is unfortunate news there. And then those high elevations, especially in the Sierra Nevada range, could pick up some decent moisture. And then there is that snowfall potential in the Midwest over a 5-day period, which doesn't look to be all that impressive. Now through mid-January, so looking ahead mainly to next week, we're looking at some colder conditions in the central U.S. The coldest air now today is in the Northeast. We're about 10 to 20 plus degrees below average. Also very chilly across parts of Texas. Dallas today only at 52, 45 in Denver, and 41 in Billings, and then 61 only in Phoenix.